In this video, I will be showing you how to download and install Claude desktop app in Windows. So let's get started. First thing, just search for Claude desktop. We'll be having the official link claude.com/downloads. Just select it. And here we are having download options for both Windows as well as Windows ARM 64. And apart from this, we are having Claude app for macOS as well as the mobile apps. So I will just go with the standard Windows one. The download will be getting started. The setup file is just around 6.7 MB. So just open it. So we will be getting this downloading and installing Claude. It says 231 MB. So be patient for a while. We will be getting this Claude for Windows. Just click on Get Started and make sure that you are signing in with your email or Google account. In case if you already have a plan with Claude, make sure that you are using that account over here. So this will just redirect you to the browser where you have to sign in with your Gmail, and after that just click on Open Claude. And that's it. We'll be getting an exact same interface like the web app in the desktop one. That's the video, guys. Do check the playlist of my channel. Done a lot of videos in programming and AI tools. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.